Welcome. Today I will discuss very important concept of the chapter matter in our surrounding. Learning objectives are effect of temperature and latent heat. We know if we have to change states of matter, energy have a very important role. Temperature having very important role. We know all the particles of matter, they are in continuous motion. So what is the effect of temperature? Temperature increase the motion of the particle, means it increase kinetic energy, the energy due to the motion of the particles. So if we increase temperature, particles energy increases and they move into the another state. Solid move into the liquid state, liquid move into the gaseous state. Now how to measure the temperature? We use instrument thermometer, and there we are having some scales, right, to measure the temperature. Very important scale we are using, that is your degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. What the relation between these two? The freezing temperature of water in degree Celsius is 0 degree centigrade, which is equal to 273 Kelvin, right? And for the boiling point, degree Celsius 100 degree centigrade, and in Kelvin it is 373 Kelvin. So how to convert the temperature of both scales? We are using the formula. If Kelvin has to convert into degree Celsius, then I will subtract 273 from the temperature. For example, 573 Kelvin I have to convert into degree Celsius. So 573 minus 273, answer is 300 degree centigrade. Alright, and if opposite I have to do, convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, then I will add 273 Kelvin, right? So this is question related to this. 25 degree centigrade, degree centigrade I have to convert into Kelvin. So use the formula. See, degree Celsius plus 273. Why? Because degree Celsius having 0, that is equal to 273 of the Kelvin. So this factor I have to add if I will convert degree Celsius into the Kelvin. So 25 plus 273, we got 298. So this way we can understand, right? Now next is latent heat. What is latent heat? Dear student, latent heat is also known as hidden energy. The energy which is hidden. Where it is hidden? Why it is known as hidden energy? Let us see from the definition. What is it? Right? Then we will discuss one activity here that will clear all the facts, secret behind the latent heat. Why it is known as latent hidden energy? Yes, what is it? It is the energy required to change the state of matter. It is the energy required to change the state of matter. Yes, that is latent heat. It is of two types. It is of two types, as latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. What is latent heat of fusion? As we know, fusion is the process of conversion of liquid into the solid. For example, water when converted into ice, right? Solid state is ice, then the energy which is released out here. You know, we need cooling here. We will not heat up, right? So this is the energy released out here. The energy which is required to convert, which is released out when 1 kg of the liquid convert into the solid form, that is known as latent heat of fusion. Latent heat, if we define in a standard way, then it is known as amount of energy required to convert 1 kg of any substance into the another state. Okay, so here we are converting from liquid to the solid state. So here energy is released out. This energy we have to take out. Then it will freeze, right? Then it will fuse up. So for water, this latent heat of fusion is 3.35 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per kg. Okay, so this is there. Another is there, latent heat of vaporization. So it would be the energy required to convert 1 kg of any liquid into the vapor state, into the gaseous state, right? For example, the water, if I will talk about the latent heat of vaporization of water is 22.6 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per kg. So this much energy is required to convert 1 kg of water into the vapor state. Yes. Now, if I will do one activity here, means for any pure substance, I will plot a curve for heat supply towards x-axis and increase in temperature towards y-axis. Now let us see and what are the different queries here. We will solve that. Now see here the curve. Here, for example, it is ice and melting of ice is there, right? So I will convert 3 states from here: ice, solid to liquid into water, then water to gaseous state. And let us see what are the different changes going on here. Yes, as here in curve A to B, there is a ice only. Solid state is there. Solid state is there. Temperature is 0 degree centigrade. Now after 0 degree centigrade, what happens? Melting started. B to C, there is melting, and here the states are both solid as well as liquid. But see, there is no change in the temperature. Temperature remains 0 degree centigrade, right, till the melting is going on. There is no change in the temperature, but heat is continuously supplied. Graph value is increasing of heat energy. I am supplying continuously. But what is observation? Temperature is remaining 0, right? So means temperature remain constant. It means temperature remain constant. Question is there: why temperature remain constant when state of matter changes? Yes, we have to think. Where the energy goes. Where the energy goes, continuously it's going on. We are supplying continuously energy. But where that goes? Let us see afterward. What happened? After melting B to C, solid and liquid both are there. Now again, now after this C to D, where there is only liquid state, right? Temperature increases. It increases 0 to 10 like this, 20, 70, 80 at 100 degree. At 100 degree when it achieves, there is next process, vaporization, right? So here liquid plus vapor both are there, of the liquid plus vapor. But see again, D to E, temperature remain constant. That is the boiling point of the water. That the boiling point of the pure substance water here. Now it remains at 100 degree centigrade. No change in the temperature, but again see, heat is continuously supplied. Energy is going somewhere. Yeah, where the energy goes? Question is there, where the energy goes? Why the temperature remain constant? Yes, this question's answer is here. Now the heat which is provided, here it goes, we know the particles of matter, they are having strong force of attraction with each other. Every matter's particle, we have discussed it already, that they are having force of attraction between the particles of matter, due to which they are hold together with each other, and that force is known as force of cohesion. So dear student, when state has to change, this force we have to overcome, we have to break this bond, right? So that bond is broken by that heat energy provided. So when I will heat any state, any solid, what happens with that energy which is given to the matter? It break this bond. It break this bond, overcome the force of attraction. Due to this, particle move apart and go to the next stage. Right? Now where the energy goes? Heat is used to overcome the force of attraction between particles. Right? This is our answer. This is the reason the temperature remain constant. Temperature remain constant because the heat provided is hidden. That is why hidden? Where it is, there it is used to break the force of attraction between the particles of the matter. Yes, this is your latent heat. Now there is a fact. Ice gives more cooling effect than water at 0 degree centigrade. You can check it. Right? So why it is there? Because in ice after freezing, we got ice. Now this much energy, that is latent heat of fusion, is removed out from the ice. Right? Ice is converted from the water at 0 degree centigrade, but this energy equal to latent heat of fusion has to be moved out. Then the ice will be formed. No doubt, temperature remains same. Temperature will remain same, but this energy is moved out. So ice is at lower temperature than the water at the same 0 degree centigrade. So this is the reason ice will give more heating, cooling effect. Now one more question I will ask from you, and you will give the answer in the comment box at YouTube channel. Right? What is there which gives more burning effect? Boiling water or steam at 100 degree centigrade? Answer is here. You will give the answer, right? And one more thing you will do. Can we heat the balloon for 6 seconds continuously under flame of the candle or anything? This activity will also tell you, yes, this can be done or not. So you will do the things and give the answer in the comment box. Yes, dear student, with this, the concept of today is over. Latent heat, that is the hidden energy of the matter when we convert one state into the another. So thing is over, but again I want to say, dear student, you are unstoppable, right? Infinite energy is there hidden inside us. Thing is there, we have to discover it. We have to discover ourselves. So we are infinite. Move ahead, work hard. All the circumstances which are adverse around you cannot stop your growth until unless you are not stopping yourself. We are unstoppable. Go ahead. Thank you. All the best.